As an extrovert myself, I find it off when I see fellow extroverts say that introverts will never succeed in the corporate world because they're not as vocal or sociable as we are. I disagree with this statement. In fact, I think a lot of extroverts can learn a thing or two from introverts themselves. For example, when introverts find themselves in a conflict at work, they do not immediately jump into the situation, and neither do they bring a battalion of people with them. Instead, they do thoughtful introspection. They're comfortable with solitude, and so step by step, they first identify what to do on their own. And because they keep a limited circle of friends or people that they can trust, they're able to solicit quality advice. They're able to block out the unnecessary noise from the outside. And from my personal experience, I do think that introverts are able to calm themselves down way better than extroverts do.